Greetings all, this is Village Homestead. It's Saturday, August 10th, 2024. I had the stone guy come in and drop off a load of stone yesterday, and the Bobcat guy was here earlier today, and let's take a look and see what he's got done. He's got it graveled all the way from back here. All the way around the shed here. So I can actually drive all the way around this now, which is really nice. It's opened up quite nicely here. So right here, I'm going to start, I got to trim a couple of branches up there to get rid of them. They're dead, pretty much dead anyways. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a base right around in here from about here, about 80 inches this way, wherever that would be. And then I'm going to double stack IBC totes, 2 of them. So it'll be 2 wide, 2 tall, and those are going to be for water storage as well. So I'll have 4 IBC totes here with water storage. I already have them. I got 3 of them. They're already here, and they'll be going there. Still got a little cleanup to do. I still got a bunch of work to do around here. Also working on another project right now as well. So there's plenty of projects going on. This is just a quick little update of what we're doing today here.